Hello friends, welcome to Mimi's workshop. If you are new to my channel, please press the red subscribe icon below and click on the bell symbol for regular notifications. Today I'll show you how to make perfect chana at home. There are few tips and tricks which I'll share with you all as we proceed along our video. In my next trailing videos, you will find the same chana being used for making rasgullas followed by rasmalai. So friends, keep watching till the end. In my first step, I have taken about a liter of milk to be curdled to chana. I am using white vinegar, however you can substitute it with lemon juice. Now, on a tea strainer, I have kept a piece of cotton cloth ready. The milk was on fire for some time and now it is about to boil. We will add in 3 tablespoons of vinegar to it, but little at a time. Many people dilute the vinegar with water, but I recommend not to do so as it disturbs the acidic properties or qualities of vinegar. If you are using lemon juice instead of vinegar, that also will have to be added in the same quantity, that is 3 tablespoons. The flame will be on medium to high during this process. You can see how the milk reacting with the acid gradually is changing its form. Our chana is ready and now we shall strain it. Like me, if you are also using a colored cloth, please make sure it doesn't release color of it. After straining, we will squeeze out as much water possible from the bundle and then wash the chana thoroughly in and out under the running water. This process will shed out the vinegar and give you a perfect chana. And if you are using it to make rasgullas like me, this process is most crucial as even a little hint of the acid will break the rasgulla balls completely. After the wash, we will again squeeze out and drain the excess water and keep it suspended or hanging for about 1.5 hours. One and a half hours are over and now let's check how our chana turned out to be. I have released it on a ceramic plate and now we will check if at all it is perfect or not. But before that, crumble and spread it over the plate evenly. Now take a little amount of chana and mash it between your fingers. If it doesn't stick and comes out clean as a smooth ball, you will understand your chana is perfect. Easy, isn't it? So if you have liked this video, put a thumbs up and share it among others. I will see you in my next video showcasing the process of making the Bengali delicacy, rasgullas.